Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
107.1 News FM Olongapo.
107.1 News FM Olongapo. Welcome to the final stretch of this radio show. You heard back-to-back songs from birthday celebrants. The last one was K. Michelle with Just a Little Bit. And the other one was Blackened from Metallica from the album Injustice for All when Jason Newsted was still with them. Okay, kasi humiwala yun no? Sa Metallica. Yeah, all right. So, yeah, it's their birthday. That's why we played their songs. And couple of announcements this time for awareness, everybody. The month of March, alam nyo ba, is also Rabies Awareness Month ang month of March. Hindi lang sa International Women's Month, Fire Prevention Month. Dami pa lang kaganapan for March, no? At saka ano pa ba yun? Peanut Month, buwan ng mani. So kasama na rin yung Rabies Awareness Month. Ang rabies ay 100% na nakamamatay. Ngunit 100% din na naiiwasan. Okay? Ito yung mga importanteng paalala. Mga paalala para sa pag-iwas sa rabies, ha? Ipabakuna ang alagang aso at pusa taon-taon. Okay? Taon-taon kailangan. Siguraduhin nakatali o nasa loob lang ng bakura ng alaga. Huwag hawakan ang hindi kilalang hayop. Okay? Bantayan ang mga bata at turuang umiwas sa asong gala. Kasi yung asong gala, yan yung pinakamataas ang percentage ng potential na na carrier ng rabies virus, no? Kasi kung saan pumupunta yan, siyempre, kung merong gala na mayroon yan, hawa na rin siya pagka nakasalumuha niya, no? Okay? So, bantayan ng mga bata at turuang umiwas sa mga asong gala. Okay? Hugasan agad ang sugat sa loob ng 15 minutos kung nakagat man or makalmot ng hayop at magpakonsulta sa Animal Bite Treatment Center. Okay? I-report agad sa ating barangay at lokal na otoridad ang pinaghihinalaang may rabies na hayop. Okay? Rabies-free na pusa't aso, kaligtasan ng pamilyang Pilipino. Isang paalala mula sa ating LGU, sa ating lokal na pamahalaan ng Olongapo, sa pamumuno ng ating mayor, of course, Attorney Roland Paulino Lenjay Jr. or Mayor Lenjay as we call him. So March is Rabies Awareness Month. A couple of job announcements this time coming from our friends at Future Link Incorporated. Ayan, mga gusto mag-apply. Okay? Ito yung mga job openings right about now. They are in need of dismantlers. Okay? Pangmaramihan to. Disassembles end-of-life electronics. No experience needed, ha? Okay? Overtime guaranteed. Oo. Pangmaramihan to pagka nag-hiring ng dismantlers, eh. Okay? So, next up we have, they are also in need of a custom coordinators. Yung nag-aasikaso, no? Nag-aasikaso ng mga kapapilan at mga dapat lakarin na dokumento at customs, okay? Sa Bureau of Customs. College graduate, at least 2 years experience in shipping, logistics, or customs brokerage. In-depth understanding of customs regulations, tariffs, and international trade procedures. Yan. O yung best friend natin na si Ate Aurora Lumakin, magaling dyan eh. Magaling siya. Apply ka if you want to. Ayan. Forklift drivers din, okay? O kahit high school graduate lang pwede na. Basta may professional driver's license 1, 2, and 3. Tsaka TESDA NC2 in forklift and at least 2 years experience. Okay? Apply na. Forklift drivers and welders. Kahit high school graduate lang din. Okay? 2 years hands-on experience, TESDA NC2 certificate. Marunong sa mga welding like SMA, GMAW, and GTAW. Apply now. Okay? And also hiring translators. Mandarin speaking translators. Okay? Male or female are welcome. At least 2 years experience. Chinese proficiency tests are highly regarded. Okay. Next job opening. Also, they are in need of an admin assistant. Yan, okay? Graduate of any business-related courses, proficient in Microsoft Office, especially in Excel, dedicated and committed, and fast learner. All right, so there you go. Those are the job announcements for now. Pero yung mga job openings like dismantlers, production operators, maramihan 'yan. Kailangan diyan, ano? Maramihan. Okay? Magpunta lamang sa Unit 101, Building 2, Sunny East Complex, Lot 18 to 20, Manila Avenue, Central Business District Area, Subic Bay, Freeport Zone. Ayan, to make it easy on you, harap lang ng ano, if you're familiar with Pag-ibig Fund Office, yung Pag-ibig, ayan, sa Subic Bay, Freeport, ayan, may pag-ibig ka pa. Sana all. Sa harap lang po nun, tawid ka lang, no? Unit 101. Okay, those are the job openings coming from our friends at Future Link.